So today we're going to be looking at ticker symbol DM for Death Stock Metal. It trades on the New York Stock Exchange. It's had a tremendous momentum ride in the last couple of months. But since the March crash, we've seen Death Stock Metal come down significantly, testing very low, very lows of the stock. We've seen highs of $34, around $34 at its peak, which was just a couple of months ago. There's a lot of momentum, a lot of buying action within this stock, and ARK ETF also owns Desktop Metal along with some other 3D printing stocks. So we're going to go ahead and put some resistance marks for this stock to really see where around where we're trading for this stock. So let's go ahead and throw in some resistance lines. We have some sort of support at this level. We're gonna go up right over here at the 20. Right around the 20, and I think this should be good enough for today's analysis. So Desktop Metal was doing very well just before the March crash, but since then we've seen a strong move downwards within this stock. We were going up like this, which is always positive to see. So there's been a major correction from its high. Again, if we look at the lows, we've lost maybe around 50% of its value. And now we're still trading low for today's trading day. And seems like we've broken from this resistance right here, and which I was hoping for.
Yo, I'm just gonna get my book.
Which I was hoping for it to maintain, but we are now trailing within these zones, and for the next couple of days, it's a little bit hard to exactly say where we might be going. Hold on, I have to adjust this. I'm gonna adjust this just a little bit. This can go. Let's go ahead and remove that line, and I want to put the mark right over. Well, we have some resistance over here. Let's go ahead and dump in a line right over here, and right now we are trading. There has been some sort of support at this sort of level, because this is a very new stock. It's really we have very little information on good resistance levels for DM. So just gonna go ahead and remove this marker right over here, and let's get back onto the crosshair. So as you can see, this is the daily chart that we're looking at, and we were trading at at around the $20 until there was a lot of selling pressure, where we have broken the $16.19 resistance, and now we are trading within a new zone between $13 and $16. If this stock is to break the $13 zone, then we can expect to move a little bit, possibly even lower, but hopefully we don't. Hopefully we consolidate within this sort of channel over here, or ideally we trail around here until we find a way back up for this stock. The news for Desktop Metal recently has been very positive. It's been strong. They have been they are the one of the leaders in 3D printing, which is always good because this technology will be the latest technology in the future. There's a lot of research and development happening, and I'm not going to be talking too much about what this company does. You guys can check that out on YouTube, but right now we have broken those the $16 resistance, and we are hoping for it to bounce off this $13 to continue its momentous ride upwards. Right now the news seems positive. There's really no catalyst. The sharp decline in the stock was due to the March crash and the interest rates, that whole scenario. So let's keep a watch on this. If it is to break out of 16, then we can expect it to test the new high of $20, and then again the $23. And after we see it break those resistance marks, we can go ahead and make another video to test the next limits for the stock of DM. Thanks.